see rocks. Rocks are everywhere. Rocks are good for skipping. Rocks are good for climbing. Rocks are good for collecting. Rocks are even good for making silly things. But what else can we do with rocks? We can build houses with rocks. Bricks are made from rocks. Is your house made of rocks? You might find rocks inside your house. Many fireplaces are made from rocks. Even some kitchen counters are made from rocks. You can find rocks inside your house. Garden paths can be made from rocks. Sidewalks are made from concrete, which is made from rocks. Even boards are made from rocks. Things you use every day are made from rocks. Ceramic dishes are made from clay, which is a kind of rock. So is your piggy bank. Even that vase your mother doesn't want you to break. The lead in your pencil is made from a special rock called graphite. Side chalk is also made from rocks. Have you ever found a rock you can write with? Anything made from metal comes from special rocks that are melted just like magma inside the earth and shaped into new things. Your forks, spoons and knives. Most of your cars. Your scissors and coins. Rocks can make beautiful jewelry. Diamonds, rubies, sapphires, turquoise, silver and gold all are rocks. The sand you build castles from is actually millions and millions of tiny little rocks. If you melt sand and shape it, you can make glass. Look at this gigantic rock. How did it get that way? Rocks are not good for sleeping. Rocks are not good for eating. And rocks are never good for throwing on the playground. Can you think of anything else rocks are good for? The end. Rock on!